Hello kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a fish bowl using oval and alphabet C. Come, let's start. First, draw a sharp edge oval. On both the edge of the oval, draw a straight line and join that lines with curves. From first edge, draw a curve like alphabet C and backward C. Close at curves. Now draw small curve parallel to the first one. Make a dots for sand. Now by using circle and oval, draw stones. Now draw parallel curves end with sharp edge for plants. Draw downward curve and upward curve and close that with zigzag curves. Draw an eye. Now draw the slanted lines and join that with curves. Again repeat the same steps for the second fish in an opposite direction. Draw water bubbles by using circle. Now let's start coloring. Green, light brown, dark brown, green, red, yellow, brown, blue, That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a traffic signal. See you.